Hey there, Heritage Landing fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and we're previewing this inventory coach home here at Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This is the upstairs floor plan. It's called the Baycreek. It's going to come in at 2,100 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and you've got a 3-car tandem garage. We'll take a look there. As we walk inside the Baycreek floor plan, you've got your stairwell leading up to your living spaces and then also down to your garage area. I'll mention that this is a tandem garage, so here you've got room for 2 cars right up here, and then also, depending on the size of your cars, you can fit a 3rd one right here, maybe have your golf cart or some additional storage. Also, right across from the garage here, you have storage underneath the stairwell. So tons of extra space here with the Baycreek. Now we're gonna go upstairs and take a look at all the living spaces here. So as we come upstairs, we're gonna go right into the great room area, kitchen, dining space here. But first off, to our left, this is where you have the guest bedrooms, guest bath and whatnot. These are huge guest bedrooms here with walk-in closets on each one. Then we have the guest bath here with your singular sink, the combination tub and shower, your commode, and also your linen closet. Right across from that, you do have the indoor laundry with full-size washer and dryer. Now here in the main area, that's going to be your dedicated dining space right here in the corner by the windows. Then you've got this really nice open kitchen here. You get a full stainless appliance package, quartz countertops, and this overlooks all of your living space here with the Baycreek floor plan. To the left, you do have that corner pantry as well, which is a nice feature. Now, last but not least, on the inside here, we've got your master bedroom. Again, huge bedroom space here. You've got 2 walk-in closets, really nice sized walk-in closets, and then your master bath here with the dual sinks, this huge walk-in shower here. You've got your dedicated water closet and then a linen closet right in that space as well. Last but not least on this unit are the views. So this is a really private preserved view here. Really peaceful, overlooking the preserve. Isn't that something? All right, folks, so this particular unit is part of the non-golf line of coach homes that you're gonna find here. It's one of only a few that are left to purchase. This would be ready for a November close. If you're interested, give us a call, send us a text message, shoot us an email. We'd love to help you out.